Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we're Bev and Ryan, and we share honest hotel and resort tours to help you plan your next getaway. In this video, we're taking you on a full tour of the Kauai Shores Hotel in Kapa'a. If you're looking for a spot that perfectly balances old Hawaiian charm with a fresh modern aesthetic, this is the perfect place for you. Located on the famous Royal Coconut Coast, this resort sits on 6 acres of lush tropical gardens. It's centrally located, meaning you're halfway between North and South Shores, the perfect home base for a Kauai adventure. The hotel recently underwent a property-wide refresh, bringing vibrant colors and upgraded amenities to every corner of the resort. Weekend rates for two average around $325 per night, which includes the $30 daily hospitality fee. This fee includes self or valet parking, morning yoga classes right by the beach, bikes for exploring the surrounding area, as well as water filling stations. Stepping into the heart of the resort, you're greeted by the newly renovated open-air lobby. I love the design here. It's breezy, bright, and perfectly captures that modern retro island vibe. There's plenty of seating here, making it a great spot to just sit back, enjoy the tropical cross breeze, and plan your day. They've also added some really convenient touches for guests. There's an ATM machine right on site if you need cash for the local markets, a photo booth for souvenirs, and a small business center if you need to quickly check an email or print out a boarding pass. But one of the most practical features is the on-site general store located right by the lobby. Whether you're looking for unique Hawaiian souvenirs to take home, grabbing some quick snacks and drinks for a hike, or just realize you forgot a travel essential, they've got you covered. After a quick check-in process with a friendly staff, we headed to our room located in the Lay building. One thing you'll notice as you walk to your room is just how lush and well-maintained the 6 acres of tropical gardens are. It really feels like you're walking through a private park. Let's check out room 114. This is a newly renovated ocean view room. Well, that's debatable about the ocean view part, but let's take a look. So as soon as you walk in, there's this full body mirror. But the cool thing about this mirror is there's a switch here. You can turn this on and it says Aloha. So it makes you feel like you're in Hawaii, which we are in Hawaii, or Kauai actually. So over here we have a small coffee station, an ice bucket. There's a small safe and a small fridge, and they do provide you with 2 bottles of water every day. So there's that. And a very small open closet right here. So we have one of our bags up there, bunch of hangers, and so we have all our luggages here. Now let's check out the bathroom. So we have a single sink. There's a small mirror. And this is the products they use here. And there's a hair dryer down here below. So there it is. Your standard toilet with all the towels around it. And here's a shower. So take a quick look in here. And they do provide you with shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And behind the door here, there's also more storage for your stuff. So if you have a lot of luggage, you can put it in here. And now let's check out the main part of the room. So here's a quick glance. So there's the 2 queen beds. And there's more storage below the bed. So if you have a lot of stuff, there's plenty of places to store your items here. Let's see what's in this middle part. And they do have charging ports here. There's USB-A, USB-C, and a couple of standard outlets. Storage drawer right here. And we have a small TV here. So looks like about a 40-inch TV. Here's a lighted mirror. So you can change the lighting there. That's pretty cool. Office desk, and there's plugs here. So USB-A, USB-C, and your standard charging plugs. Some more storage drawers here. And let's see what's in here. Just more shelves for storing your items. Small dining table for two. And this is the part where it's debatable about the ocean view part, because you don't see an ocean when you're inside. But let's step out in our patio. So we have two chairs and a small table. But once you step out, you can see the ocean right here. So does that count as ocean view? Let me know in the comment section. But overall, it's a nice, modern, updated room here at Kauai Shores. For the ultimate vacation vibe, you have to spend an evening at Lava Lava Beach Club. It's a total toes in the sand experience, the only one of its kind on the island. Imagine lounging right on the shoreline, listening to live music as the sun goes down, and enjoying that tropical breeze in a completely open-air setting. For dinner, we went with a catch of the day, which ended up being my favorite dish. It was super fresh and perfectly cooked. We also tried the pork ribs and a burger, which were both solid choices. Now, keep in mind, the food was good, but it's a little on the pricey side. You're definitely paying for the views and the incredible ambiance here. Right now, I'm at the main pool area of the resort, where they have this nice jacuzzi hot tub where people like to chill at night in there. They're open until 10, and they're very strict about that. And here is the main pool that overlooks the ocean. This is heated, but I don't know if that really matters because you're in Hawaii. A second pool is tucked further back into the 6 acres of lush gardens. It offers a much more tranquil experience compared to the main pool. In between the main pool and the beach, you'll find this great wide open space. It's packed with multiple family games to enjoy, everything from cornhole to giant lawn games. Alright, so I'm at the beach right in front of the resort. So they have plenty of loungers here. And as you can see, the water is pretty rough here, so you gotta be an experienced swimmer to go out there. And it is pretty rocky, so it's not really a sandy beach out there, so you gotta be careful. But I did see some surfers here, so this is a good surfing beach if you're into that. So this hotel has washers and dryers, so you can do your laundry here, which means you don't have to bring that much clothing because you can just wash it here. And there's also an ice dispenser and a microwave for your convenience inside the laundry room, so that's pretty cool. The location here in Kapa'a is unbeatable. You're perfectly central, making it a 50-50 split to drive to the North Shore or South Shores. The hotel sits right on the coastal path, which is amazing for a morning bike ride. Plus, you're literally steps away from the Coconut Marketplace for convenient shopping, coffee, and even live hula performances. Overall, we really enjoyed our stay here at Kauai Shores. From the moment we arrived, the warm and welcoming staff made us feel right at home. Between the newly renovated rooms, the unbeatable central location in Kapa'a, and the reasonable rates, it really is a fantastic value. Whether you're lounging by the pools or grabbing dinner with your toes in the sand, this hotel has so much to offer. But we want to hear from you. Would you stay at Kauai Shores? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this tour helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more resort tours and adventures.